Hi everyone, today I'm gonna unbox this legendary mocha pot, Bialetti from Italy. So I'm buying a red color and this is for the 170 ml, which is good for 4 cups of coffee. Okay, let's see. Wow, see? Oh, red color. This is like Christmas comes early. I love the paint. I love the red color. See? Yeah, this is quite big for mocha pot, and it can have a very big coffee ground volume here, and Italian craftsmanship. See? Quality and design by Italy. Yes, this is the original one. Oh, you can see here, made in Italy. So to see that this is original from Italy. So if you buy a fake one, right, they don't have this pretty much like made in Italy. Inside you can have this measurement cup. And this is the latest mocha pot design where they use this kind of valve, which is to give more pressure so that the crema coffee come from here is gonna be thick and it's gonna be very nice crema. Cannot wait to use this for our selected beans. So if anyone have used this before, let me know in the comment, because from what I know, this thing very rigid, used for lifetime. I can give to my son if he like to drink coffee in the future perhaps, but for now, legendary mocha pot.